Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8th to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section. No? As long as yung question po answerable by yes or no, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, pwedeng para sa inyo yung buong reading na ito or baka part lang ng ibang ng reading. Take what's only yours. Pisces, simulan na natin. Parang meron tayong nudge or kinukutuban tayo. Pero, bakit? I think binabalance natin, no? We're seeking for either proof, evidence. Maganda naman yung ginagawa mo kasi nandito ka sa part na you're weighing things up, no? Should I just listen to my intuition without facts, or should I also gather facts and match it up with my intuition? So, siguro nagkaroon ka rin ng time dati na you followed your intuition and parang medyo nalihis tayo. So now, nag-iingat tayo na parang sinasabi mo dito, what I am going to do here is to gather facts. I am working on it right now. Somehow, no, meron tayong mga either inilalabas na information, pero let's say, minamanage natin, or if we're taking risk, this might be a calculated risk. Parang ang galing mo maglaro dito no? With the Five of Cups in here, parang sinasabi mo, ayoko dumating yung time na sasabihin wala akong ginawa. Ayoko yung dadating din yung time na sasabihin nagpa-banching ako, no? Ayoko yung sasabihin na masyado din naman ako, no? Na sumusobra ako sa pag-control, sumusobra ako sa pag-manipulate. So, what I am seeing in here is you are balancing. Kasi the Ten of Swords in here, parang meron kang pilit na either binabago dito sa iyong ways of either being na na-accumulate. I think that you are also trying to improve things, no? This is more of working on yourself, working within yourself. I think that this is going to affect the relationship with you, your person, with your family. But it must start within you. So kung relationship reading ito sa mga singles or dun sa mga crushes, I feel like, yes, meron akong information na nilalabas, no? Or nagpo-post ako, it's about you. Although, kahit meron akong mga information, I know na medyo calculated pa rin itong ginagawa ko. No? Sa mga no labels, and a third party situation, what I am seeing in here is patuloy pa rin natin ginagawa ang mga bagay, no? Na nakasanayan natin. Pero somehow, medyo isinasa utak mo, no? Meron ka kasing gusto mangyari dito Either gusto mo ng sagot or ayaw mo nang maulit yung mga nakaraang pain, no? In a relationship or married couple, I feel like meron kang gustong either baguhin or i-offer, no, para mabago yung course ng inyong relationship. With the Page of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Two of Wands, Four of Swords, clarified by the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, and the Six of Swords. Pinipilit ba natin? I feel like medyo napapagod tayo sa mga nangyayari, or napapagod na tayong kakapost, napapagod na tayo sa mga bagay. However, with the Five of Swords in here, nakikita kasi natin na we are already winning. Although kasi wala naman chart yung growth natin, kaya hindi natin nakikita yung progress, I feel like with the Five of Swords, kala natin wala namang nababago, kala natin hindi nag-improve. I think na medyo siguro sa sarili natin, parang nawawalan tayo ng enthusiasm. Why? With the Four of Wands and the King of Swords, meron kang gustong gawin pero parang feeling mo, either is it too soon or napapangunahan tayo ng katamaran. Parang lately, bago pa gawin, bago pa natin simulan, bago pa natin gawin, nasasabi natin sa sarili natin na, ay, pagod na ako. So, we are looking at something, ay wow, lalo na dito sa mga mag-asawa or in a relationship who would love to probably cohabitation, lumipat ng bahay, magsama. No, I feel like this is the week wherein both of you are going to talk about this and agree on things. Lalo na kung gustong bumukod, no, yung mga married couple. For those who are in a no-label situation, I think that there's something in here, like an energy that you can call your own. I think ganun din dito sa singles and mga crushes. Is it the time na nakikita nyo ng stability? Wag lang tayong mainip, no? Kasi with the Six of Swords, although we are not seeing it in our naked eyes or hindi siya visible, pero yung energy flow is actually moving. With the Two of Wands in here, konting-konti na lang no, achieve mo na yung commitment, yung relationship na medyo gusto nating ma-achieve or ma-experience, no? Ganun din sa third-party situation, siguro meron kang pinapapili, no? Siya ba o ako? But I feel like magfo-focus siya sa'yo and more of, sige, kakalimutan ko yung kabila. Pero wag nating madaliin dahil meron tong sariling time frame, no? So, in a relationship and married couple, katulad ng sabi ko, baka ito din yung time na magsasarili na. This is going to happen very soon. Wag lang tayong mapagod dahil alam ko meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan kasama siguro yung family ni person or including yung family. I think na magkakaroon din kayo ng moments na magkaroon ng sarilinan. Wag lang nating isipin siguro yung mga challenges for now. Continue what we're doing dahil we're very close to achieving itong ating goal. Ayan. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, dyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So pwede po kayong magtanong doon, pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Aries. Did I just mention Sagittarius? Yes, Capricorn. Ayan, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.